Welcome back, children. It's always so nice to see you all. Today I'm missing Frank. I don't know where he went. Hey, look where he is. Say hello, Frank. So today, children, I'm going to teach you a new way how to read the sound O. You already know this O, don't you? But today I'm going to teach you a new one. Repeat after me. O, O, O. Let me show you a picture. Look how cute. These little birds were fast asleep. But now the sun is rising. It's dawn. They're still sleepy. They're yawning. Oh, yawn at dawn. Oh, yawn at dawn. Oh, yawn at dawn. Frank wants me to tell you these sounds and words. You repeat after me. S, o, so. St, o, straw. D, o, n, dawn. O, paw. Now I'm just going to say the sounds and you say the words. Ready? S, o, so. St, o, straw. D, o, n, dawn. P, o, paw. Well done. Now let's see what the sound looks like. O, o. 2 letters, 1 sound. Special friends. O. Let's look for our sound on our speed sound chart. O. Watch me. O. O. Yawn at dawn. O. 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 Yawn at dawn. Now it's your turn. Ready? Faster. Well done. It's time for another game. I'm now going to show you some sounds that you already know. Your mission is to say them as fast as you can. And when you spot today's sound, just say it a little bit louder. Ready to go? Off we go! Hey, Frank. You came back right next to me, eh? You got tired from watching us from up there, I think. Children, you are amazing. I really heard you shout the O sound a bit louder than the rest. You know so many sounds now. I'm truly proud of you all, each and every one of you. So today we learned the O sound. Now you can read and write words with this new sound. Keep on practicing, okay? Frank and I have to go. We're a little bit tired now. We are yawning just like the little birds. So, goodbye. We'll see you next time.